A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. for southeastern Henderson, Davis, northern McLean, northern Hopkins, and central Webster counties. At 9:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Seabury or 16 miles south of Henderson, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Owensboro, Providence, Rockport, Calhoun, Seabury, Dixon, Whitesville, Robards, Knoxville, St. Joseph. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Davis, Henderson, Hopkins, McLean, and Webster.
That long pause and St. Joseph. Long pause.
Taking a look at your 7